3 months ago, I had zero trust in AI side hustles. Fast forward to today, I'm betting an entire 24 hours on one question. Can AI tools actually help me make $100 from scratch in just one day? No tricks, no sponsor, real money on the line. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools made cash and which wasted my time. Open loop, stick with. Because the results are nothing like what you see in those hype videos. 0:30, let's set the stage. I'm in Austin, Texas. March 2026. AI isn't just some Silicon Valley buzzword anymore. Inside every app, every tool, every side hustle you see trending online. Does any of it actually pay? Here's the deal. I gave myself 24 hours, one laptop, Wi-Fi, and $0 starting balance. No upfront investment. Just me and a list of the most viral AI money-making tools people won't stop talking about. My only goal.
Make $100 using nothing but publicly available, legal AI tools. Every cent is tracked, every failure gets shown. Ground rules, no paying for subscription. Trial or free tier, only tools launched or updated in 2026, no pretending. If I bailed on a method, I'll show you why, by the way, not financial advice. This is what worked and didn't for me. Your results will vary, but here's where it gets interesting. The most hyped tool on my list ended up costing me money. Cliffhanger 2:00, let's talk strategy. I mapped out 5 ways people claim they're making bank with AI in 2026. 1. Microtasking, using GPT-V or Gemini Ultra for writing, editing, or research gigs. 2. AI video content, using Opus Clip or captions. AI to turn long form into TikToks. 3. Prompt marketplace hustling, selling custom GPT prompts on prompt base. 4. Automated affiliate marketing, building quick microsites using Perplexity workflows. 5. AI-powered micro jobs, Fiverr gigs, like instant cover letter writing. I aim for speed and real payout potential. My first hour, I posted 5 gigs on Fiverr and Upwork, targeting quick AI writing tasks. GPT-V makes it fast, but competition. Rule in 2026, everyone's using AI. By 9 a.m., 0 bytes, not even a message. So I tried the second strategy, cranking out short. Viral clips with Opus Clip's latest 2026 update. Grabbed a trending 20-minute finance podcast, ran it through Opus Clip, generated 5 clips, and scheduled them to TikTok and Shorts. Would AI-generated content pull quick views and revenue? Cliffhanger 4:00, here's where the problems kicked in. First, Opus Clip's free tier limited me to 3 videos per day, not 5. And TikTok's new rules now to prioritize obviously AI-generated edit. Only 2 shorts got approved for monetization. In 3 hours, total views, 738. Revenue, $2.86. Meanwhile, on prompt base, I listed an original GPT-V prompt for automated cover letter generation. Something I built using Gemini Ultra and OpenAI's newest workflow feature. Price $8 per download, 20% platform fee. After 2 hours, not a single sale. None of these tools were the instant gold mine you see in those AI TikToks. 2 p.m. my balance, a measly $2.86. 12% of my goal, 60% of my patience evaporating. That's when I remembered the micro job trick I saw on Reddit. Using Perplexity AI workflows to scrape product reviews, summarize them, and sell summary reports to eBay sellers desperate for quick product insight. Would this finally get traction or flop too? Cliffhanger new Mystery 6:00, but the real surprise is coming. On a whim, I DM'd a few small eBay sellers. I pitched $15, get a custom AI generated review digest in 30 minutes, cash via Venmo. 2 reply. 1 paid upfront. Perplexity's newest workflow took 8 minutes to paste his product URLs and generate concise, bias-tagged summaries. Sent the PDF, threw in a bonus side-by-side competitor breakdown, all whipped up by GPT-V in compare mode. His review 10/10, super useful. Send me another for my new listing. Second order followed within 30 minutes. Total $30 in just under an hour. Back-to-back hustle, more cold pitches to Etsy sellers, and this time 1 bit for $10. Running total $42.86. Time to push for the finish. I doubled down on micro jobs, offering instant Amazon review reports. Not every pitch landed. Out of 12 DMs, only 1 more said yes. $20 for a same-day turnaround. But where'd the rest come from? Last-minute Hail Mary. Chat GPT-powered proofreading tool demo live on Discord channel. Charged $5 per edit. Pulled in 7 takers before midnight. That's $35. Added up $77.86, but time's almost out. I dropped the price to $3 and spammed indie author subreddits. One last client, $6 for last-minute AI resume reward. Final tally $83.86, not $100, but way more than what the TikTok gurus show. 7:00, what did I actually learn? Most viral AI money hacks in 2026. Totally oversold. Real work, real rejection. Micro jobs and
Actual outreach beat sitting back and waiting for orders. Free AI tools can help if you're creative, persistent, and quick to adapt the fastest money moment. Custom niche AI solutions pitched directly to small biz, not mass market AI gigs passive income. Still mostly a myth for AI tools unless you get serious scale. Consider this an invitation. If you try this, start with micro jobs, pitch clearly, and use public AI tools smartly. You won't get rich in a day, but you might cover a dinner bill. Remember, not financial advice. Every platform and payout changes fast. If you want to see the exact step-by-step on how I built the Perplexity workflow, or want more behind the scenes on prompt selling, hit subscribe right now and watch this next video where I try to automate an entire online business with AI and almost break the internet. End card. Watch next. I automated an online business with AI and here's what broke.